Welcome to Lesson 3, Social Media Marketing with ChatGPT. In this lesson, we will be covering 4 main topics: overview of social media platforms and their importance, developing a social media strategy with ChatGPT, creating effective social media content with ChatGPT, and measuring and analyzing social media metrics with ChatGPT. First, let's talk about the importance of social media platforms. Social media has become a crucial part of modern marketing strategies. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer businesses the opportunity to reach millions of potential customers worldwide, build brand awareness, and engage with their audience in a more personal way. Now that we understand the importance of social media, let's move on to developing a social media strategy with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help businesses create a comprehensive social media strategy by analyzing their target audience, competition, and market trends. ChatGPT can provide recommendations on the best platforms to use, the frequency and timing of posts, and the overall messaging of the content. Once the social media strategy is in place, it's time to move on to creating effective social media content with ChatGPT. ChatGPT can assist in creating compelling headlines, writing engaging captions, and selecting the right images or videos for each platform. ChatGPT can also help businesses create a consistent brand voice and messaging across all social media channels. Finally, it's essential to measure and analyze social media metrics with ChatGPT to determine the effectiveness of the social media strategy. ChatGPT can assist in tracking key metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. ChatGPT can provide insights on what is working and what needs to be adjusted to improve overall performance. In conclusion, social media marketing with ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for businesses looking to expand their reach, engage with their audience, and increase their bottom line. By understanding the importance of social media, developing a strategy, creating effective content, and measuring metrics, businesses can leverage ChatGPT to achieve their social media marketing goals. I'll see you in the next class.